Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about car detailing, you know how important a good polisher is. Today we're checking out the BATOCA Cordless Car Buffer Polisher, a powerful, brushless, and cordless DA orbital buffer that promises professional-grade results. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The BATOCA Cordless DA Polisher itself. 2.0 amp-hour 12-volt lithium-ion batteries for extended use. A charger, multiple foam pads for polishing, waxing, and buffing, a microfiber cloth, and a storage bag. That's a solid package, especially considering the extra battery. No downtime while detailing. First impressions, this thing feels lightweight yet durable, and the ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold. Since it's cordless, you don't have to worry about wires getting in your way while detailing your car. It's got a brushless motor, meaning better efficiency, less heat, and a longer lifespan. Plus, it offers 6 variable speeds ranging from 2,500 to 5,000 RPM, so you can adjust it depending on the task, whether it's light waxing or heavy-duty polishing. All right, let's put it to the test. I'll be using a medium cut polish and one of the included pads to restore some shine on this panel. As you can see, it's smooth, easy to control, and the dual action DA movement prevents swirl marks, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Check that out, a big difference in just a few passes. And thanks to the battery-powered design, I'm not restricted by cords. Battery life? On a full charge, it lasted around 45 to 50 minutes, which is decent for most detailing jobs. Pros: cordless design for easy maneuverability, lightweight and ergonomic brushless motor for efficiency and durability, 6 variable speeds for versatility, comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. So is the BATOCA Cordless DA Polisher worth it? If you're a DIY car enthusiast or mobile detailer, this is a fantastic tool. Super convenient, beginner-friendly, and effective for polishing and waxing. For professional use, it's great for quick touch-ups, but for long correction sessions, you might need extra batteries or a corded alternative. Overall, I'd give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. If you're interested, I'll drop a link in the description below. Like, comment, and subscribe if you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy detailing!